Two women killed in Sunday evening Trelawney crash. Man shot after allegedly trying to steal motorcycle from Black River Police Station. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two women has died following the crash at a section of Bracco Main Road in Trelawney on Sunday afternoon. The Trelawney police have identified both victims as 53-year-old Sharon Ackett of a Linstead St. Catherine address and the 39-year-old nurse of a Don Allen of Steertown St. Anne. Reports are that about 4:30 p.m., Allen was driving a Toyota Altis motorcar on a wet and slippery Bracco Main Road when she collided with a truck that was traveling in the opposite direction. Ackett, who was a passenger in the truck, the truck driver and Allen were reportedly rushed to the Falmouth Hospital by emergency personnel, where Allen was pronounced dead. Ackett later succumbed to her injuries while undergoing treatment. A man who allegedly attempted to steal a motorcycle from the Black River Police Station in St. Elizabeth was shot and injured on Saturday morning. He is now hospitalized and under police guard. In a statement Sunday, the police stated that about 3:40 a.m., a police officer conducting a routine patrol of the area saw the man attempting to remove the motorcycle that was being held as an exhibit. More details to come following further investigations.